Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to another tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to discuss the basic concepts of number systems. So let's start from the definition of number system. Number system is the writing system which is used for representing numbers, and it is a mathematical notation which includes the use of different digits and symbols which, when used in a consistent manner, represents numbers. So let's discuss about the types of number systems. The first one is decimal numbers. Its base is 10 and it has range 0 to 9, and in binary numbers base is 2 and the numbers are 0 and 1 only, and in octal numbers the base is 8 and the range is 0 to 7. Here you might notice that the maximum number in the range is 1 less than the base. Like in octal, the base is 8 but the maximum number in the range is 7, so the range is 0 to 7. And the last one is hexadecimal numbers. In hexadecimal numbers base is 16 and its range is from 0 to 9 and then A to F, where A is for 10, B is for 11, C is for 12, D is for 13, E is for 14 and F is for 15. Now let's have a look that why is it so that we write A for 10, B for 11 and so on. So the reason is that if suppose we have converted a number from decimal numbers to hexadecimal number, and then the number is 10, 11. So if I write only 10, 11, it must be A, B. But if I write 10, 11, then for another person it might look that it is 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, so to differentiate between A 10 and 0, 1, and similarly in case of B, which is 11, to differentiate 1, 1 with 11. So that is the reason that we write A for 10, B for 11 and up to so on. So in types of conversions we have binary to octal, binary to decimal, binary to hexadecimal, octal to binary, octal to decimal, octal to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to binary, hexadecimal to octal, hexadecimal to decimal, decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal. In this tutorial we are going to discuss only the last three: decimal to binary, decimal to octal and decimal to hexadecimal. So let's have a look on its method. So in decimal to binary we take the LCM by 2 for the number which we have given to be converted to the binary number system. We simply take the LCM by 2 for that number and write the number in the reverse order, which we will see in the next upcoming example. So let's have a look on the conversion, on the example for the conversion of decimal to binary number system. So now to convert from decimal number to octal number system, we simply take the LCM of that number by 8 and write the number in the reverse order. So let's have a look on the example of decimal to octal number system also. So for this tutorial the last one is decimal to hexadecimal, and to convert decimal number to hexadecimal we simply take the LCM of that number by 16 and write the number in the reverse order. So let's have a look on its example also. So that was all for today. If you have understood my video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel for the new upcoming videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll get the notification of the upcoming videos. So thanks for watching.